To celebrate this year's Valentine's Day, I've got a fabulous 3-course meal to put you in the mood for love. My hoisin roast duck mango and mint rice rolls are perfect as the starter. First, coat duck legs with ginger, Shaoxing rice wine and Chingxoxo's hoisin sauce for some beautiful savoury sweet notes. After marinating for an hour, roast in the oven until cooked through. Once cooled, shred into strips and set aside. Next, dip a Vietnamese rice paper sheet into a tray of warm water and place on a board. Layer with fresh mint, spring onion, carrots, cucumber, mango and the duck. Fold the bottom over, then the sides and roll until it's sealed. Repeat the process until all the filling's used up. Serve fresh with crushed peanuts and Chingxoxo's hoisin sauce for the perfect savoury sweet dip. For the main course, it's my chili bean cod. Both sweet and spicy, it'll get the heart pumping. Smother cod fillets with Chingxoxo's chili bean sauce for some delicious umami spice. Then add ginger, Shaoxing rice wine, Chingxoxo's premium light soy sauce for savoury, seasoned rice vinegar for sour, and pure sesame oil for nuttiness. Then sprinkle with white pepper and place into a hot pan skin side down. Cook for a couple of minutes, then place the lid on until the flesh turns opaque white. Then remove and in the same pan fry some ginger, shiitake mushrooms and baby pak choy. Drizzle over Chingxoxo's premium light soy sauce for a savoury pop and pure sesame oil for a nutty finish. Then serve with the cod, a tasty treat to impress the one you love. Last but not least, it's dessert. My sweet and sour caramel banana boat will melt anyone's heart. First, heat cast sugar until it starts to melt into a glossy liquid, then add butter and stir in. For a delicious tang, some Chingxoxo's seasoned rice vinegar. Cook down until it thickens into a silky caramel sauce and set aside. Then in a serving dish, layer with some marshmallows, bananas, brownie chunks, scoops of ice cream, nuts and your choice of sweets or chocolates. Drizzle over the sweet sour caramel sauce and you have the ultimate finish to a fun-filled Valentine's. So there it is, my ideas for a love-filled, flavour-packed Valentine's Day. Let me know in the comments below how you like to celebrate Valentine's Day, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipe ideas.